We're thankful that you decided to take a couple of minutes of your time to learn about our SerDes product range. As a specialist analog IP provider, we focus on the PMA, or the analog portion of SerDes. Our multi-protocol PMA line began with the SerDes PMA that we made for Microsemi's current FPGA several years ago. We've since ported this versatile PMA to several other processors, and this slide shows the speed range and process nodes supported by our IPs. The green bars at the top show the processors we currently support with their speed range. For example, in 40LP, we support from 100 megabits per second to either 10.5 or 12.5 gigabits per second, depending on the foundry. This is with flip chip. We also have a wire bond version that supports 8.1 gigabits per second for PCI Gen 3 and DisplayPort. On the left-hand side is a list of protocols we know our PMAs can support with third-party controllers, and the blue lines indicate the usual speed ranges for those protocols. This continuous wide speed range and versatility is enabled by our ring PLL, which is embedded in the TX common block and in each RX lane. Despite using a ring PLL, you can see that the IP has excellent performance. These TXI diagrams are a real-world measurement in the production FPGA with 4 lanes active and 70% core activity. We see similar performance in the other process nodes. A responsible design manager also wants to know how this performance will vary over PVT. This slide shows the stability of our design. It indicates that you can expect good yield using one of our PMAs. The lower left side is the Gaussian or random jitter. Over the entire speed range, our 12 nanometer PMA stays well below 1% UI. The total jitter for a bit error rate of 1E-12 is also well below 15% UI over all PVT. This slide shows how our RX passes the difficult DisplayPort jitter tolerance tests with good margin. This test is a challenge for many other suppliers. Receiving clear data in the presence of spurious jitter introduced in a channel is one of the more challenging aspects of SerDes, and these measurements show that our clock data recovery is able to receive error-free data in the presence of all the jitter components in the difficult DisplayPort jitter tolerance test, with a great margin of 0.22 UI for all of the standard rates of HBR, HBR2, and HBR3. We'd be delighted to tell you more about our SerDes IPs and see if one of our solutions can help you be successful. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website, visit our booth, or send an email to our sales team to schedule a discussion. Thank you very much.